Hi everyone, I welcome all the divine souls on my YouTube channel, which is Twin Flame Realities. And as the title is mentioned, that when Divine said this twin flame is lying about his current relationship. So this conversation happened in 2018 November. So as I knew, this person, this twin flame, as he mentioned that the girl who cheated on him and he was about to be married with that girl in 2015. So after that he has always been pretended that he's single, he's not in a relationship, also do not want to get married now because he was hurt because of past two relationships. So that's what he kept on pretending, and he kept on playing those mind games to keep me stuck on his on him. So when Divine said that this person is lying about his current relationship, he is in a relationship. So I said no, he has clearly said this. Even he said this to me, that he's not in a relationship, also do not want to get married to me. This is what he said to me when I was asking him to get married to another girl, maybe who can be decided by his parents. So he said no, he doesn't want to get married, and he's single. So Divine again said no, he's lying about his current relationship. So I said give me evidences. And then what Divine did, in the month of November 2018, so all of a sudden this twin flame did a post on Facebook, social media, that he's having some sort of a dish or eating something with that girl at a restaurant. And there it was a situation created by Divine to get me evidences. So there the girl he was in a relationship with, the family member of that girl, he was an immediate family member, an elder married person. So he commented that wow, so great, your dish and date together. Now this twin flame was not left with any option except confessing this a relationship, confirming this relationship. So as he was put it in a situation wherein the family member of that girl commented that she's your girlfriend. So there he had to confess, yeah, he's in a relationship. So he did that, he accepted, yes, it is true. Then a lot of people from that airline started congratulating him, and all other people on his social media. So then I wasn't aware this has happened. So Divine said check this social media of him, and then I saw that there were lot of notifications, because I was also added in his Facebook group. So there I also congratulated him that I'm happy for him. And this happened before, I think few months ago. I already gave tight slap on his ego. I've already shared a previous video. So this incident happened after that. So as I promised, I will never text him, never call him, and I did not do that. But then why did I do it? Why I congratulated it? Because yeah, genuinely I was happy. So there was another reason for me congratulating him, so that he get to know that I am aware. Because since I have met him, he has been playing one after another mind game, so that I stay stuck on him, and lot of other shittiest people like him have supported him. Because when I went in his own department where he was promoted in the airline, so he asked everybody, the entire department, not to tell me about his current relationship, and nobody told me. Wherein he and I had common friends, I also had best friends who remained in contact for so long, nobody told me. So these people were kept on pretending on social media from 2015 till 2018. Yeah, he's single, he's not in a relationship, they are so sad for this person. So from 2015, when he pretended, oh yeah, that was the truth, because that girl actually her parents rejected him because of his financial status, and after that she got married to the boyfriend of another common friend. That's what he called that it was a cheating. So that was actually a truth, and I thought he's genuinely hurt and single, not in a relationship. And also, since I have met him, the moment I do any sort of post on social media, what he does, he immediately, within few seconds, post another thing. Exactly, it will feel like it's my reply. It is done for me, because my post have always been for him. He knew that. So this was another level of game he was playing. So now what I did, once his this relationship was disclosed in 2018, I went on his social media. The post he was pretending was, it was for me. So he was playing, with two people at the same time, I can say. He was doing that post so that I will think it is for me, and that girl will think about, it is for her. Wherein she knew that she was in a committed relationship with this person, because yeah, it was a relationship. But then he asked this girl not to, confront anybody that, she's his girlfriend. But then when I started doing the study of this, profile of this person, this female, what I found, since 2015 October, this person has been in a relationship, with this girl, wherein he broke up, with that girl who cheated on him in March 2015. So either he came, in this relationship between this time, or he has been in a multiple relationship. That can be a scenario. Because when I was working with him, I saw many times that, that he was in a relationship which he was hiding from me. Everybody knew that. But then apart from that, he was also flirting with lot other females, in our office. Also on social media, he kept on, flirting with other females. That I have seen it. So I knew that. So now what has happened? The post, he used to pretend that it was for me. I went there and commented, this is for that girl. I wrote the name of that girl. She was again from aviation itself. Now he got scared, now what another game he wants to play to keep me stuck on him. Because his agenda has always been the kind of, jealous person, hater person, he is. He wanted me to stuck on him because, he knows his level. He can never match up to me. So he decided to play with my mind, which is not possible. So since then he was doing the same thing. So now he got scared when he realized that I have got to know about his mind game, that this is what he was playing. So, okay, this was fine. I checked. Divine gave me this evidence in this way. Divine created a situation wherein this relationship was hidden is from 2015 to, till 2018 or November itself. And then when I asked for the evidence, this is what Divine created a situation wherein the immediate family member of that person, commented that your audition date together, and he was not left with any other option except accepting, this relationship in front of other people. Wherein I did a study that every person of her family, that female, was aware about this relationship, wherein this person has told to this female not to disclose this relationship. So when I was doing the study of her, social media profile, I found since the time this person has come in a relationship with this twin flame, this female, every time this person has, commented with heart emoji and also, with a kiss emoji, wherein it would be only done by a person who either you love or, you are in a relationship. So I never checked those, comment section because I was never worried about it. And I don't have habit of, checking others' comments. So, but then that was the reason I went on each and every post which he pretended it was for me. I wrote the name of that girl. And then he got scared. Then what has happened, after 6 months, once his relationship was disclosed on social media, which he was hiding since 3 years, 15, 16, 17, 18, sorry, even more than that. So he played another level of game. He pretended, did a post that, he broke up with this girl, which he recently confessed about his relationship. So this happened in the month of April in 2019. Then Divine said, this person is lying again. He has not broke up with this female and it is a fake post, and again pretending that, he broke up so that you do not move on from this person. So I again asked Divine to produce me evidence, that he has done a fake post and he's still in a relationship and he's lying about it. So Divine said, this is third time you are asking about evidences, about this person. So, and you have not taken any action in past. You kept on asking for evidence. We have produced that. So what would you do this time? What action will you take if we produce this evidence? So I told to Divine, first of all, this person is not part of my life. I am not in a relationship. And yes, because of me having feelings for this person, he is part of my brain and, can say that part of my heart or soul. And I am struggling with this. I have tried a lot of things to remove these feelings from me, which is not going. But then I can give you a commitment this time. If this is true, what you're telling me, this person is pretending, to this breakup, which is not true, then I will remove him like a person removes garbage from their house. You know, once a garbage is removed, thrown out of your house, nobody brings it back. And you know, once a person is removed, definitely that person can never come back in my life. And so I promise to divine that, you know, I will never look back at this person, whether he lives or dies, I don't care. So this was a commitment, and this was sure that I will remove him permanently, even as a contact, which he was already removed. But then somehow I was not able to, you know, move on. There were several reasons. One reason was that, you know, my destined career, my destined future, because I wanted the way he was playing. He did not want me to break the contact. He wanted me to stuck on him forever, but also was not ready to break the contact, you know, so that he can do his further drama in, you know, like in future, as people do. You know, they had this problem, that problem, that's why they were behaving this way, that way. So I'm always aware about these, you know, tactics. So I was just looking for one particular, you know, chance, one opportunity to remove him permanently before tapping into the destined future, because I knew this person is a materialistic person, and how his relationships, you know, start. He go ahead and study the profile of you know, a person, financial status of a person, by looking at the pictures of their house and the way they are spending their quality time at a particular place. So first he studies the financial status of that person, and then he, you know, he himself start contacting that person. Then he himself, you know, claims to be in a love, and then wants to come in a relationship. This I already observed, you know, several times in past in this person. So I intentionally hided my financial background from this person, because I knew what sort of a person he is. If he gets to know about that, he will not let me go. He will not, you know, he will do any drama to stay back in my life. He would be ready to be on my knees, you know, to accept him as a lover also, you know, also. So that kind of a person he was, and that was the reason I hided a lot of things. Though he thought, you know, he was able to study me, which wasn't the truth. He only, you know, thought that his mind games were working on me. He did not know anything about me, and I hided everything almost, you know, on purpose, because it was part of my game, that 10 years of journey. So again, as the way he was, you know, coming in a relationship after studying the financial status of a person, because this is what I experienced, you know, when I looked at the profile of his first ex-girlfriend, then the second one. Both were rich, but not, you know, physical beauty. And same goes with this person. And this time this person was an average person, you know, average physical beauty, I can say. And then but yes, her financial background is good, wealthy person, comes from a wealthy family, and that is what he has been doing. Also what he was doing, you know, pretending to other people that he has, you know, that like good contacts with those people who have a lot of financial status, or some sort of, you know, influencer. So what he used to do, he used to pick up on the profile of such influencers, female influencers who had a lot of followers, but there were few comments only. So what he used to do, he used to post, you know, amazing pictures showing his body, so that people get attracted towards him. And that was the only reason that he was getting that 1% of attention from females, and that he was using you know, to have attention or money or any other kind of, you know, benefit from other person. So what he was doing, he used to find out such profiles of influencers, go ahead and, you know, comment, and then same person will definitely reply back, because there were only few limited comments. So for being them influencer, every comment must be, you know, important. And then he will show, or he has, you know, such kind of females who are interested in him, wherein he knew he can never be in a relationship with that person, because he was already rejected twice because of his financial status. So that was the truth, but he was playing another level of game on social media. And when I did study of, you know, this female who was in a relationship, you know, with whom he was hiding this relationship, this female knew this person is not a right person, even including her family. But they were like, you know, because they knew this person was not ready to confess this relationship publicly, wherein a female's parents and her family always wants a person to confess. If you are in a relationship, you are traveling with her, you are sharing your bed, dating with her, you know, multiple times, going here and there. So everybody would want you to, you know, confess that relationship publicly, because they were interested, you know, in making her married to this person. So he told her not to disclose this relationship, and she did that for so many years. But yeah, this was an evidence, you know, which I asked for. Divine did created this situation on social media. So and then in April 2019, when I asked, that what is the evidence that this person has done a fake post about his, this breakup. So there Divine created another situation, that was horrible situation, to give me these, evidences. And there a reason was created, which became a reason for my spiritual awakening. But then still I was not over with, so many soul shocks. There were so many other soul shocks were waiting for me, as journey was not yet over, those 10 years of time. So that I will share in a separate video. So when Divine asked me, what action will I take if this is again proven as truth? So that's why I said I will never look back to, this person, and I will make sure this person is completely removed from my life, and I will not leave any option for him to even contact me. Because yeah, I was also shocked. I was happy that he was in a relationship, because he was always, ready to get married, was desperate about getting married to a wealthy girl. That's why he has been picking up, such sort of females. This was the third one. But then, so I was happy when I got to know that, he was in a relationship third time. And but then why was I shocked? Because I was actually thinking that such a dirty person, he is. I have always been his well-wisher. I have always been supporting him, wherever it was possible. Not in his shittiest thing, but then yeah, I have been taking a stand for him whenever his own best friends were, talking shit about him, that too only in front of me, and pretending to be their best friend on social media. And this dirty person is trying to keep me stuck on him intentionally, and has always been lying, about his relationships, wherein he has been into back-to-back relationship, or also been into a multiple relationships. So when he got to know that, I have also congratulated him, and I got to know about his relationship. And immediately after that, I commented on each every post, where he used to pretend it was for me. So I wrote the name of that girl, and then he got scared. Now I might have, understood his mind game, and now what next he can play. That was the reason he decided to, play this level of game, that pretending his fake breakup with that girl. Now the concern was, how come a girl can do that? Another thing, got revealed in future, and that I will share in upcoming videos, as yeah, this, spiritual awakening was such a painful awakening. So this was about today's video. I will see you in another video. Till then, take good care of yourself. Bye bye.